Hello, grade 6. I am here once again. I am teacher Mary Ann and welcome to our math class. In today's video, I'll be discussing quarter 3, week 7 in our activity sheets, visualizing and describing surface area and naming the unit of measure used for measuring the surface. This topic talks about the surface area of three-dimensional solid that refers to the measured area in square units of all surfaces of objects like cubes, spheres, prisms, and pyramids. The surface area is the area that describes the material that will be used to cover a geometric solid. When we determine the surface areas of a geometric solid, we usually take the sum of the area for each geometric form within the solid. In finding the surface area of a prism or any geometric solid, we open the solid like a carton box and flatten it out to find all included geometric forms, just like what is being flashed at the moment. We also call this one as nets, wherein it is a two-dimensional pattern of a three-dimensional figure that can be folded the figure. These are the formulas in finding the surface area of a prism or any geometric solid. For a triangle, area is equals to 1/2 times base times height. For rectangle, we have area is equals to width times height. For square, we have area is equal to a squared, whereas a stands for the length of side. And for parallelogram, we have area is equals to base times height. For trapezoid or trapezium, area is equals to 1/2, open and close parenthesis, a plus b times height, whereas h stands for vertical height. And for the area of a circle, we have pi times r squared. And for the circumference of a circle, we have 2 times pi times r, whereas r stands for radius. Now, let's take a look for activity 1. The direction says, find the nets of the colored solid figures and encircle it. For this activity, you have to find the nets of the given figures. Okay, so I have here an example of a net of rectangle which is laid out flat or also called as net. Again, when we say net, it is defined as a pattern obtained when a three-dimensional figure is laid out flat, showing each face of the figure. A three-dimensional shape may have different nets. The first one is the net of rectangular prism. Next, we have the net of the cylinder. Another one is the net of the cone. Now, I have here an examples for you to answer activity 2. The first example is looking for the area of a rectangle. Area is equals to width times height. Based on the illustration given, the width is 12 meters and the height is 8 meters. Therefore, 12 times 8 is equals to 96 meters squared. Next example, we have to find the area of the circle. So, area is equals to pi times r squared, whereas r stands for radius. And the given value for pi is 3.14. So, area is equals to 3.14 times 21 feet squared. So, 3.14 times 441 feet. Now, saan natin nakuha yung 441 feet? As you can see, based on the formula, radius must be multiplied itself. So, 21 times 21 is equals to 441. So, So we come up with 3.14 times 441 feet. Therefore, the answer is 1,385 feet square. And now, let's try the last activity, which is activity 3. The direction says, solve each practical problem showing full work. Your answer must include proper units of measure. So again, I have here another example. The problem is, the side of a square measures 67 meters. What is the area of the square? Again, we have to look for the formula in finding the area of the square. So the formula in finding the area of the square, we have area is equals to A squared. So A stands for the length of side. Therefore, A is equals to 67 squared. Now, 67 must be multiplied to itself. So, 67 times 67, the correct answer is 4,489 meters square. Therefore, the area of the square is 4,489 meters square. Next example. Find the area of the triangle whose base is 46 inches and height is 19 inches. So for the formula in finding the area of the triangle, we have 1/2 times base times height. Therefore, area is equals to 1/2 times 46 times 19. And the answer is 437 inches square. Now, it's your turn, guys, to answer all the activities. I am pretty sure you are all ready. This ends your learning session with me. Have a nice day and keep safe, everyone. But before you proceed again to answer all the activities, I just want to leave a simple saying for you. Develop a passion for learning. If you do, you will never cease to grow. Again, thank you and have a nice day.